Hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is JC from the Virgo Plans, and today I have a plan with me for you guys, a very long overdue plan with me. This gorgeous kit is from Crafts by Thaowie, and it's called New Beginnings. This is her New Year's kit. I am planning the first week, well actually I guess it's technically like the end of December 2020 and first week of January 2021. So yeah, that's what this spread is all about. If you're new here, hi, my name is JC. I do lots of different kinds of planning related videos. So I do plan with me's like this one where you see me laying down all the stickers, and then I do hauls, which is me showing you all the stickers I got. Minimal planning related videos, sub box unboxings, so all that good stuff. So if you are interested in those kinds of planning related videos and content, definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to ring my bell. Also, follow me on Instagram if you're not already, because that's where you'll see all the photos posted and shops tagged and basically how I'm using these stickers and, you know, some extra content, some extra unboxing on stories, all that good stuff. So this video is long overdue. If you've been following me on Instagram, you would know that I am currently in the process of moving, and 2021 has been so hectic for me. Like, I am shocked that it's April. Like, I'm just like shocked. I'm at a loss of words. Like, how is it April? Like, we already passed March, which was, 1 year anniversary of the pandemic. So I'm just, work was like intense for me the first few months of the year. And I was like spending a lot of time getting caught up on that. And then I started moving, which is like crazy because I didn't really expect to move. I knew I was going to move in this year in 2021. I just didn't expect to move this early, but we found a place and it really worked out for us. So that's what I am in the process of doing right now. We're hoping to be moved out by the end of April. So yeah, basically a lot of stuff happened, and I basically only got to filming all the hauls and didn't get to filming me using any of the stickers. So my plan of attack is to actually do a lot of spreads without filming them. So just like doing them on my own time, just posting them on Instagram. So that's another reason to follow me on Instagram, and then not filming the actual plan with me like this, since it's like a lot more of a setup for me, a lot more work, if you will. So in order for me to properly get caught up, I feel like I'm just going to kind of plan out of order and do my own thing and just get as much done as I can without overwhelming myself, because at the end of the day, this is definitely my hobby and something that I really enjoy doing, and something that I found in quarantine that is like a really big stress reliever for me and like a creative outlet. And I want it to continue to be that. I don't want to feel overwhelmed by it or stressed out by it, since, like I said, it is like my creative outlet, my hobby, my little stress reliever. So yeah, I feel like if I put too much pressure on myself and try to film every single spread and every single, sticker related thing, then it's not going to be fun for me anymore. And I want it to be fun for me, but I also want it to be fun for you guys as viewers. And I really, really appreciate all of you viewers. So thanks for that. But yeah, I want it to be fun for me. I also want it to be, I also want to get things done. I am on PR teams, so, I have duties to fill, but I mean, all of my PR teams are like super understanding. Like, the shops that I PR for are amazing. They're so understanding. They're so happy for me, for my move. I'm so appreciative of every single one of the shop owners that I PR for and all of my other PR girl friends. So yeah, let's get into this week. So it was New Year's, so it was really fun. I mean, not much actually went down. What about you guys? Let me know in the comments down below. Did you guys do something for New Year's 2021? Or did you just chill at home and go to bed before it was even midnight like me? So yeah, on Monday, I did a little workout. I used the work script above and the little Harriet Wright Designs bow divider, and then the little Adidas shoe is actually from the kit. It's actually from this kit from Crafts by Thaowie, which is awesome. I love that she includes colors. Same with the laundry basket. Little icons with colors that are from the kit, which is, yeah, that's something I really, really, really love about her kits. So that little Pretty Pink Co. wine glass has foil on it. It's from Pretty Pink Co. I use little Sadie stickers, hearts that I actually got from a Valentine's Day order. That's another thing. Even though I'm like sad that I'm so behind on all my spreads, I'm actually kind of like, you know what? It's okay because things come in like those Valentine's Day hearts that I ended up using in this spread, which I wouldn't have gotten to if I didn't, if I wasn't so late. So yeah. So here I'm using a Giving Girl bowstrung box and a Christine's Paper Studio mandala to mark that we drove to Vegas. Another reason why I didn't really want to post this spread yet is because the reason we were driving to Vegas so much is because we were looking to moving out there and I wasn't ready to like share that with everyone yet. So now that we are solidified on our decision and where we're moving, I'm like more comfortable with sharing, you know, the decision that we made and that kind of stuff. So yeah. I also marked that we had a nice dinner in Vegas, which was really nice. And then the next morning was a lovely morning. Had breakfast in bed, and I ordered it from like the room service, and it was just delicious. It's so nice to have breakfast in bed in a hotel. It feels like a movie. That White Deer Stationery bathtub is so darn cute. Love White Deer Stationery. I took a huge bubble bath that morning right in front of the window. We were on like the top floor, like close to the top. So it was really nice. Here I'm using a mandala from the kit and a Christine's Paper Studio mandala, who I have a code for, by the way. It's JCM30. And a work script from Sticker Guru, who I also have a code for. It is JC15. And the laptop icon is from the kit. Came with the kit. I love that laptop icon. All of my PR codes will be linked down in the description box along with along with all of the stickers that I'm using, like the shops that they're from, will also be linked down in the description box in the order in which I use them. And if I have a code for that shop, I will stick it next to that link to make it easy for you guys. But yeah, I don't get like paid. I earn some like shop credit. And I also don't PR for any shops that I don't genuinely love and want to PR for and use their products. Like 99% of the time I've used the shop's products before I applied to be on their PR team. The only 1% is Christine's Paper Studio. She actually reached out to me. She's a brand new shop. So if you haven't heard of Christine, her shop, Christine's Paper Studio, it's new. It just came out this year. She has kits and mandalas and other fun goodies. And yeah, it's really nice. So I did not buy any of her stuff before she existed, if that makes sense. So that's why I said 99% of the time. But anyways, back to the spread. On New Year's Eve, I watched Disney's movie Soul, which was really good. I used the little mandala behind a fancy box that came in the kit, and then I used that little popcorn and chair from the kit as well. And then here I'm doing a little Hello January from the Pretty Pink Co. And then the garland is from Sadie's Stickers. And I also did like a big 2021 down below, which you guys saw, just to mark that, you know, it's January 1st, it's 2021. I had another bath this week, 2 baths in 1 week. That's pretty nice for me, guys. That bathtub icon is from Crafts By Thaowie, and the little hearts that I put down just now are from the Glitter Mama. And let's see, here I'm marking that I was reading a really, really good book, and I finished it. I ended up finishing this book. Okay, here on Saturday, I'm using this flippin' adorable little Target bag from Paper Muse Crafts to mark a little Target run. I mean, how cute is that? Also, that planner book that looks like the cloud from Aura Estelle and Fancy Box are both from the kit. This is why Crafts by Thawie's kit, you know, they're so good. They're so good. They come with such good stuff. It's like you don't even need anything else. And then I accidentally wasn't filming during this very small section. So here I am showing you everything that I used, a little work script from My Spoiled Planner, a little My Spoiled Planner computer, a little book icon, the cozy candle icon, which is Pretty Pink Co. Yeah, I just messed up and I wasn't filming apparently during that little tiny portion. But anyways, moving on to the last day of the week, I used a Planning Like a Pro grocery basket to mark that Tyler and I walked to the grocery store and picked up some stuff, which isn't like us. I usually drive to the grocery store. And I figured out why on this walking trip is that I'm cool with walking to the grocery store. I just don't like carrying the stuff back. So yeah, we haven't been doing that again. I was like, 2021 goals, let's start walking in the grocery store. Yeah, that didn't last very long. Okay, this workout script is from Christine's Paper Studio. And then down here, I'm just marking that Tyler and I had a nice dinner. I don't know why we had a nice dinner. I think it was just because, New Year, nice dinner. It was like a Saturday or a Sunday. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. This week was a normal week for me, other than New Year's and driving to Vegas, which was really fun. Also, not driving there again. That was way too long. I don't know why we did that. Okay, so that is it, guys. Here is the finished spread. Here is everything together. I'm really happy with the way this came out. I love all the black and gray and the pops of pink. It is so much fun. And here's a little up close. I also really loved all the little fireworks that I used. And so yeah, that is it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this spread. Please forgive me for being so far behind on my plan with me's. And here's everything that I did and did not use in the kit. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!